everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we're at the beach. We're at the beach because today we are reading a really cute and funny story and it's called The Poopy Taco. Oh, this is Bill and Will and this is by the Doodlebug, and anything that has Doodlebug in it, I feel like it's going to be a good book. So let's get started with today's reading. It says, "Hey Bill, you hungry?" "I am." "Hey, look, tacos." Do you guys like tacos? I like tacos. Yay, tacos! Yummy. Hey, those tacos are mine. Those birds are the worst. Did you hear something, Bill? Nope. Did you hear something, Will? Nope. She was pretty loud, right? Oh no! My taco is donezo. That's okay. You can have some of mine. Aw, that's nice. Did you hear something, Bill? Nope. Did you hear something, Will? Nope. I heard something. Did you hear something? Hey, look, hot sauce! Yay, I love spicy tacos. Did you just poop on me? Those birds are the worst. Yuck. Did you hear something, Bill? Nope. Did you hear something, Will? Nope. Did you hear something? 'Cause I heard something. Wait, did you just poop on your taco? Ew, no. Is that your poop? No way. You guys see that little girl? She has her ice cream. It probably melted. Maybe you should ask our readers. Hey kid, can you smell this? Okay, what if it was not the ice cream? And it's actual poop. Are you gonna smell it? He's asking, is that poop? Okay, I'm not gonna smell it. You smell it. You smell it. Yippee! I'm flying! Oh no, not again! Come on! Look, Will, she's holding ice cream. Yummy! Spicy ice cream taco. Wait, where did your taco go? Bye-bye, taco. I loved you. Hey, did you poop on this? Those birds are the worst. Did you hear something, Bill? Nope. Did you hear something, Will? Nope. Hey, where's my cake? The end. Where do you think the cake went? And I'll give you a hint right here. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.